Some hacks are so awesomely weird they border on genius. We've gathered a few of these strange and wonderful hacks so you can be the judge. Weird or genius? If you're new to Crafty Hackers, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now, back to our weird hacks that are actually genius. Here we go! Coin purse. Thinking of throwing that empty tube of toothpaste away? You may want to reconsider. Here's a clever way to repurpose it. Use a box cutter to cut a slit in the middle of the tube. Measure the slit to the length and width of the zipper. Clean out any leftover toothpaste with a wet wipe. Now it's time to attach the zipper. Just a bit of hot glue on one side and attach it inside the tube. After the glue sets, tuck the other side of the zipper into the tube. Apply hot glue onto the zipper using a toothpick to spread it evenly on the zipper. Now you've got a pop art coin purse. Andy Warhol would be so jealous. Bra slippers. You may think a bra doesn't belong on your feet, but here's a hack that says it does. We're going to make this bra into slippers with a few easy steps. First, cut off the straps. Next, trace your foot pads onto a piece of cardboard. Cut them out and glue the padding onto the cardboard. Then glue the bra cup onto the top of your foot pad. Use mesh fabric to decorate. Gather the mesh in your fingers like this. Once you have enough to make the mesh look like a full flower, cut it loose. Glue the gathered mesh onto the top of your slipper. Now hot glue the pearls onto each section of mesh fabric. Trim off any extra mesh fabric and add some pearls of a different color along the bottom of the slipper. Aren't these cute? Magnet sponge. Cut a kitchen sponge in half for a way to wash those hard-to-reach places. Make a little pocket in the sponge for your magnet. Tuck the magnet into the sponge and test it out with another magnet. They should cling together pretty well. Put the additional magnet in a pocket inside the other sponge. Now put one sponge inside your tall cup and use the other sponge to guide it, washing both sides of the cup at the same time. That's pretty genius. Egg string light. What do a bunch of eggs and a strand of string lights have to do with each other? Wait and find out. First, we're going to empty out the eggshells by carefully puncturing the top of each egg. Use a skinny utensil to help you get all the egg white and yolk out. Next, put one of the lights from the strand inside the eggshell. Hot glue the cord to the eggshell and hold it in place until the glue sets. Repeat this process with as many eggshells as there are lights on the strand. When you turn on the light strand, you'll have a really unique and delicate strand of string lights. This is perfect for any rustic kitchen. Egg softbox. You know that harsh flash on your camera phone that washes you and all your friends out in pictures? Well, we just made a softbox for your phone that diffuses that harsh light into a pleasing, soft, even light. And we did it with an eggshell. Watch this. Use a sharp object to make a small hole in the top of your egg. Empty out the contents of the egg. Then cut the eggshell into a dome shape. Clean out any of the remaining egg from the shell. Next, remove your phone case and apply hot glue around the hole for your flash. Glue the eggshell in place over the hole. Touch up the shell with more hot glue. Automatic softbox for your best pictures ever. Cooking with an iron. Want a grilled cheese sandwich but don't have a stove or a skillet handy? Try this. Put sliced cheese and your favorite ingredients between 2 slices of bread. Wrap the sandwich in some aluminum foil. Apply a hot iron to the foil wrap sandwich. Hold it for a few seconds on each side. When you unwrap it, your sandwich will be nice and toasted. The foil will keep the cheese from melting onto your iron. Yum. Balloon phone case. This hack is just fun and downright silly. Grab some balloons and blow up the first one. Place your phone onto the balloon and press it as the balloon deflates. The balloon will wrap itself around the phone as the air escapes. Adjust the balloon to fit snug around the phone. Now repeat with a different color. Repeat again and again, adjusting the balloons to reveal all the various colors, until you've got a multicolored balloon case that will pad your phone and give it a whimsical flair. It kinda looks like a funny alien, doesn't it? Glove painting. Want to be the next Jackson Pollock but lack the skills to pull off your own masterpiece? Try this trick. Place a latex glove inside a bottle and secure it by folding the opening of the glove over the sides of the bottle. Next, take a funnel or syringe and fill it with paint. Transfer the paint into one of the fingers of the glove inside your bottle. Do this up to 5 times with different colors. When the fingers are full, carefully remove the glove. Use a needle to poke holes at the tips of each glove finger. Next, squirt the paint from your glove onto your canvas. Now you've got a one-of-a-kind art piece. Orange candle. Let's make an awesome citrus-scented candle. First, cut the orange away from the peel. Use a spoon to fully remove the inside of the orange. Now, take the orange-scented candle and cut it into shavings using a box cutter. Melt the shavings until you have liquid wax. Hot glue a wick into the orange peel. Carefully pour the hot wax into the orange peel. Let this cool and harden, and enjoy your orange candle. Pear candlestick. Did you know you can make a candlestick holder out of a pear? Here's how. Take your syringe and cut the tip off. Then insert it into the pear to take out the core. Place the syringe case back into the pear and add a candle. Now you've got a decorative holder for your dinner party. Got a dull knife? Here's a hack to sharpen it. Turn over a coffee mug and run the knife along the bottom of the cup like this. Quick and easy. Phone holder. It's hard to hold your phone to your ear and multitask, but here's a phone holder you can make to help out. Just wrap an elastic band around your head and insert your phone by your ear. Now you can apply your makeup while you take that phone call. Phone speakers. Use the cardboard from your toilet paper or paper towel roll. Cut a slit for your phone to fit inside. Use a box cutter and cut a slit the width of your phone. Next, measure the roll against a paper cup. Use an X-Acto knife to cut out the hole. Put the cardboard roll into the hole in your cup. Do the same with the cup on the other side. Lastly, push thumbtacks into the bottom of your new speaker stand. Enjoy the tunes from your phone. We hope you enjoyed these weird hacks that are genius. Thanks for watching, Crafty Hackers. See you around!